In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add languages to your LinkedIn profile. Adding languages to your LinkedIn profile is a simple way to make your account more complete and help other people understand your communication skills and international experience. It can also make your profile more appealing to recruiters, clients, or collaborators who are looking for someone with multilingual abilities. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. This is the main area where your personal information, but work experience, a score, and other profile sections are displayed. If you're already signed in, you can usually access your profile by clicking your profile picture or your name from the LinkedIn homepage. Once you're on your profile, look for the profile language area and click the pencil icon. This edit icon lets you make changes to the language settings connected to your profile. If you don't spot it immediately, take a moment to scan the section carefully, since LinkedIn's layout can vary slightly depending on whether you're using a desktop browser or another device. After that, click on Add Language. This option allows you to create an additional language version or add language details to your profile settings. It's useful if you want your profile to better represent the languages you use professionally or personally. Next, choose the language you want to add. LinkedIn will typically provide a list or selection menu where you can pick the appropriate language. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if there are similar regional variations. Taking an extra second here helps ensure your profile appears exactly the way you want it to. When you've selected the language, click Save. This confirms the update and applies the new language to your profile settings. And that's it. Your LinkedIn profile should now reflect the language you added. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to review your profile and make sure everything looks right. If LinkedIn supports a separate profile view for that language, you may also want to check how the profile appears from a visitor's perspective. Keeping your LinkedIn profile updated is a small step that can make a strong impression. Adding languages helps present a more complete professional image and can improve how you connect with opportunities across different regions and industries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.